Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, April 19th. Follow through is what I was looking for yesterday's action. That's what we see here. It's small. I thought it'd be a little bit bigger. That's the kind of movement we want to see. So it makes us a little cautious, but I still look for follow through to the upside. Fundamentally, we have a lot of positive things going on. Let's move on over to the currencies. The euro, on the other hand here, it's very neutral. That's what it was the day before. I was looking for that kind of action. The bias is for a move to the upside. There is just no paper behind that. Sideways move is what I'm looking for. And over here in the Canadian dollar, let's talk about that. This market did trade below its bearish level. The magnitude change here is 100 ticks or $1,000. That's the magnitude change here. I do look for a little bit of movement to the downside, but not a big move down for the Canadian dollar. 10-year notes, I like the action that we're seeing here. I think it makes sense. And I look for further movement to the downside, but not a big day down. Note bonds, 30-year bonds traded above its bullish level. Magnitude change in that market, $125 a contract. And I'm also looking for unchanged to lower in that market. Gold, very neutral. I look for that to continue. The bias is for a move to the upside, but the paper, the order flow, just is not there for that market. And silver and copper, you can see it did give us that kind of follow through. Crude oil, a decrease in inventories gave this a positive movement. Do not look for the same kind of move though on Thursday. A much smaller move would be expected. And if we take a look at soybeans, sideways move is what I'm looking for to slightly lower in that market. I think we have to be cautious there on the short side. Wheat traded above its bullish level. Magnitude change in that market is $450 a contract, and I'm looking for an unchanged, just a slightly higher move. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow, and in the meantime, take care.